Hi, Alan from Rolec. This is Richard from Mr Charger, head of franchise. So Richard, pleasure to see you, mate.
Hi there, you're right, Alan.
Yeah, good, thank you. So we're at Future Build 2024, and we just finalised our electrifying Mr Charger invitation day.
Yeah, definitely, massively exciting event. Yeah,
So 12th of April,
That's it.
Rolec HQ.
yeah your premises, you're hosting us, and everyone else that's coming, so thank you for that.
Amazing. So on the day, sole traders, small business owners will receive 4 hours CPD hours. They'll also get an introduction to the EV market. They'll get technical guidance as well as sales and marketing tips and tricks for them to be able to grow their audience. So Richard, we're here. It's all confirmed, 12th of April. Part of the day we'll be discussing sort of your journey with Rolec, which started in 2018. How have you found the journey with us so far?
Yeah, it's been amazing. Like I say, it's flown by, but almost 6 years since we started. Rolec was the company that helped us in that journey. You know, we went to technical training all that time ago, built up a long-standing relationship with yourselves and the organisation. Products speak for themselves, cover such a wide variety of use cases, whether it's domestic or commercial. So yeah, the relationship's just grown and grown.
I'm sure that your business has actually grown as well at the same time as what we have.
Yeah, massive growth over the last 6 years, and obviously should be huge going forward. So yeah, just constantly busy, and some exciting projects down ahead.
And there'll be people out there that are listening and potentially wanting to come on the actual day. It's a Mr Charger event. Not necessarily that people have to come, that is necessarily want to take a franchise on that specific day. But there's lots of joint venture opportunities, isn't there, between both of our companies?
Yeah, it's an open day, like we say. We want people to come along, learn more about it. The industry, the products, the services, technical training, whole schedule of great sessions that you guys have planned and we have together. So yeah, we just want people to come down, and obviously we can provide some education, training, answer any questions, whether it be about the EV industry, franchise opportunities, people that are passionate about renewable energy and the EV industry as a whole.
If I was a sole trader or a small business owner, what would be the benefits of taking a Mr Charger franchise?
Yeah, there's lots. I mean, obviously we specialise in this industry, so 6 years of knowledge. We also got great software platforms that make it easy to interact with customers, manage the day-to-day processes, but also the support and the teamwork within the group as well. So for people wanting to come on board with us, we've got a lot of work to provide and clients to support, but we're helping people on that journey that want to run their own business as part of a wider organisation.
And I'm finding that contractors are really good on the tools, so to speak, not so good with administration, contacting clients, and I see that your technology alone is pretty much outstanding.
Well, I think admins are pain for everyone, right? No one particularly likes it. So yeah, we've tried to make the systems take that pain away. So we've got a lot of automation, obviously not taking away the point of ringing customers and speaking to that end client, that's vital. But all the unnecessary parts of paperwork have been eliminated. My business partner, Martin Wells, his background is IT, spent 20 years in that industry. So we tried to eliminate as much of that waste so we can put it into actual value-add tasks, speaking to clients, specifying out solutions, and building a business.
Sounds great. What type of installs do you guys carry out currently?
Pretty much everything. So whether it's domestic, just one unit, a couple of units, integration to solar, the full renewable package, to anything commercial. So whether it be a couple of units at a business address, massive infrastructure for nationwide fleet companies, blocks of flats, you name it. And this is where this range of products that Rolec provide suit every use case.
And there's been lots of sort of joint ventures, hasn't there, that we've been partnershiping with currently, covering the UK?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, everything across the UK. So we're working on some exciting projects now. So yeah, it's been fantastic.
And I see that some stuff that we've been working on over the last 6 months is maintenance packages for the end user. How important do you find that?
It's really important. So we come across situations where obviously a client may have some installations that have just been put in or from the past, a long time ago. Technology's changed. They've also maybe put in to a landlord supplier and they need to recoup the energy price or recoup monies for people using it. So there's a lot of things that we can do with software, retrofit, and also making sure that those charging points are constantly operational. So we can remote manage those through the software, but physical maintenance as well, making sure that they're in good working order and that they're there, for the foreseeable, rather than just leaving them and then there's a problem. So yeah, maintenance is hugely important to all our guys.
And just sort of as we finish, I don't want to sort of have this as a sales pitch, but it's about just trying to get people in on April the 12th just to see franchise opportunities, but not even that, just joint venture opportunities which they could currently have with you, maybe taster, to see whether they think it will be a good thing or not so good for them.
Absolutely, yeah. Like you say, it's an open book on the day. There's lots of structured events and technical training and different aspects of the day. But the ethos is we want to attract people that want to push ahead in the EV industry, that want maybe some help or they've got some questions and can see how the partnership can work. So yes, please, join us. Be a great day, a fun day, but also very worthwhile in terms of knowledge and training.
Thanks, Richard. So, April the 12th, at Rolec HQ, Mr Charger Ltd Invitation Day. It should be full of facts, opportunities, and if you're potentially looking to grow your business, scale opportunities, feel free to get in touch. It's a completely free day. No sales pitch to you. However, if you're looking to grow opportunities in the market, that's the place to be on April the 12th.